how to download YouTube short video in your gallery. To download it, first of all, open your YouTube application. Once you are on your YouTube application, hit on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, you select Downloads. And then on the top right, you'll see three dots. Click on that and go through these settings. From here, click on the download quality and change it to ask each time. And then toggle off the download over Wi-Fi only button as well. Now choose any YouTube source you want to download. And then click on the share button and hit on the copy link. Then go to the search bar and paste that link over here and remove the letter up to the question mark and then search. Now find that video and click on the three dots and then select download video. Your video will be saved in gallery. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.